friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will teach you how to delete the WhatsApp group permanently. For this, simply open your WhatsApp group. Click on the three-dotted icon at the upper right side of the screen. Go to Group Info. Scroll down. Now start removing your group participants one by clicking on them. Go to Invite via link. Go to Reset link. Your WhatsApp admin is asking you again for your show T. Click on the reset link again. See, the previous invite link has been deleted and the new link has been created. Click on OK. Now simply go to Exit Group. Click on Exit. See, you have the option to delete the group now. Click on Delete Group. See, you have successfully deleted the required group from your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button, please, if you want to get more useful information like this.